Hi, this is gotta play this game. Ayya, 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 ayya. And you play again, and yeah. So this is called a scratch. It's made of free, and you can use it. There are sprite. Chicken is a sprite, egg is a sprite, and egg 2 is a sprite, and what control this is all in this panel here, and this is what it do. See that? Okay. So when the user is pressing the space key, then this is what happens. See, and when this is back, and this is what happens. Yeah. So the egg will start moving, then move by using the glide, and then it's a go to and so on. So yeah, you can. I learned this from a YouTube channel, and you can see here. So yeah, this is how you play the have fun with the game here. Right, just press the button here and start playing. Yeah, 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 cannot. Hey, 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 yeah. But you got nothing to do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow, it's so easy, huh? Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Okay, so finally it stopped, and that is how uh to stretch out your ability a little bit. So now you think that, hey, what? You can develop a game also. Expanding your capability every day. Challenge yourself, do something new. Okay, we live in a volatile world and ever-changing world. You just have to keep breaking your old belief and believing that you can solve problem you in many other ways, not exactly that way. This is only not or just one way. So solve a problem, there are many ways, and you have to explore it. So don't just fix to that one solution. For example, uh, so there is a belief that kids must must go to primary school, must go be very good in the exam, must score very high in the primary, then only go to uh, what to secondary and then go to college. Um, does it really the truth? Does it really the truth in today's context? Can you learn something where before that the teacher teach? I know kids at his age of 12 or 13, school didn't teach them about programming and he go and learn himself. And today he's learning how to do machine learning at the age of my 16 or 15 years old. And the school is not even touch anything at all. And he's not interested in other subject. And but parents is forcing him to learn all those dry subject. Now why is it called so dry? It's because that it's not interested the person at all. It's not go with the flow. What do you mean flow, right? So I think that there's one guy this morning talk about it in the yeah this guy. Okay, okay. So he's talk about it in the this here. Um, where's it here? Oh, oh, so fast. Okay, I guess we're gonna look at his post first. Yeah, I think you heard of this. This is not something new. This is by Dr. Howard Gardner, right? It's basically this thing here. So, if and um, the world is required more creative than ever before. You need to be very, very good in creative, and this is how you choose how you can become very skillful. And some people are very uh, uh, more interested in musical, and some are not. Some are the logical. Sum 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Some want to go deeper and deeper until the calculus error. And I think all these are okay, right? I think it's that more important is that the pace and the technique to deliver the teaching are all one size fit all. It's like you climb up the hill and you expect everyone to climb up the hill at the same pace, and therefore some people can climb very high and very fast at the destined time, and they call winner. And the one who left behind, or even worse, they die. Right? Let's say here. Let me just put it here. Right? You don't believe that? Let's just go here. Right? So, very sad to see this one. A man died hiking at the age of 28. Um, it's just like die. Salah Selangor Journal. So you think he's no good in climbing, or how do you define what is good, right? So I think today's education system has come to a point that we no longer can label a person are good or bad because of they are very good in uh, stroke, right? For example, 笔画. So I mean, what is called 笔画? Well, 笔画 is something like this. Let's just insert a new slide. Okay, I mean, just you see the new slide? Okay, let's just go insert slide. Okay, so what's 笔画? So for example, it's like this, right? So 笔画 is like this: one, two, three, four. Okay, so this is 四画. Okay, so of course I can write very fast, but does that mean that the kids were able to learn fast? Obviously not, right? So you have to write one, two, three, four. Okay, so that is 四画. So what does that mean? Well, does it mean that you know how to write the Chinese character? You know how to. That means you can get A. And if you don't know how to get 四画 or you get 3画, then that means you are wrong. Okay, then the student say, okay, you are no good and you are like this one. So among all the kids that oh you get 3 bar, you 2 bar. So that stopped them from climbing the so-called education system. Okay, which is like this. So if you are no good in the math, 华文, then you're no good. So if you are 1 plus 1 equal 2, you good. Okay, you got it, right? If you 1 plus 2 you get to 3, and you are no good. And and what are the other ways you can help the kids to learn? No other besides shouting. Okay, is there any other way? Can you use this Microsoft? What can you use the Microsoft PowerPoint? You right, go and get a thing called mouse pen, right? Yeah, there is this tool called right. You might not know what is called mouse pen, right? I also don't know, but until you have, right, you can use this on the mouse pen and mm, many things. So basically, you control this with like a mouse, right? Like a pen, but it's a mouse. You draw on a piece of paper, and then it's a strangest way to teach online. Oh, okay. So you study on this thing, right? And you can get this done. Yeah. Okay. 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 So anyway, now you just discover that a mouse and a pen. Yeah. You know. Same old styling, right? So you just use a draw, and I mean you draw a shape, and you draw a mouse. Hmm. So a mouse. Okay, a mouse, a mouse, a mouse. So, when if I don't show you that thing before, right? Can you think about that? A mouse can be a pen, right? A pen can be a mouse, or a pen can be a phone, a mouse phone. Or you say not possible. Maybe, who knows? Who knows? Who knows, right? A mouse, a mouse screen. Can it be? Well, again, depends on your creativity and whether you say that it's possible or not possible. A mouse is a robot, right? Can it be that one? So on and so forth. A mouse game, can it be that one here? So, what do you think about it? Right? A mouse cat, a mouse car, a mouse drone? Can it be? Well, you have to think about it, right? That is a mouse. And maybe I can just go for it. There's a green color one, a mouse. All right. Um, that says that what can a PowerPoint do for you? Again, it comes back to the same questions that can you find a new purpose, a new use for these tools? These tools is a drawing tools or is it an explanation tool or is it a book? Can it be converted to PDF file? Can it be moved right? I think there are many things you can do with it. And today you just discovered that you can develop a game. Let's just play it one more time. Oops, oops, aya, wait, aya, aya, whoop, 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 aya, ooh, ooh, ayo, 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 oh. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. I thank Jesus for giving me the ability to solve problem the unconventional way.